Listen to this noise. This is what happens when you ignore your underchassis for too long. In this video, I'll show you why we replaced several underchassis parts on this vehicle. And this was based on the customer's own request because the problem was already getting worse. The customer complained about clunking and knocking sounds coming from underneath the car, especially when driving over bumps, uneven roads, or speed humps. At first, it might sound like a small issue, but noises like this are early warning signs. So we lifted the car and did a full inspection. And what we found? Several under-chassis components were already worn out, some had excessive play, and others were cracked due to age and constant use. I explained to the customer that if these parts were not replaced on time, it could lead to more serious damage, poor handling, and in worst cases, safety risks while driving. That's why the customer decided to go ahead and replace all the necessary under-chassis parts. Not for looks, not for comfort alone, but for safety and peace of mind. After replacing the parts and reinstalling everything properly, the difference was immediate. No more knocking sounds, smoother ride, better stability, and a much safer driving experience. Remember this. Your under chassis might be out of sight, but it should never be out of mind. Ignoring small noises today can lead to big repairs tomorrow. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-world car repair videos.